Hello everyone, it's Junior,
Larry.
and what we have right here tonight is we have a seafood boil. We have corn on the cob, we have hot links, potatoes, shrimp. We got this stuff we made, and it's like, I made a garlic butter sauce. Did I mention everything? We got shrimp, potatoes, corn on the cob, onions, hot links. Yeah, it looks delicious. So we're pretty hungry, and we're going to dig right in. And we also got us some Pepsis here. You're going to have to, Irene is shy. She's camera shy. But we're going to dig in. So, that's good. Give me some of this corn on the cob. Eat some of this corn on the cob. That's delicious. Like I said earlier in some of our earlier videos, we're new to this YouTube thing, and we have this channel, and those sausages are so good.
Yeah.
We haven't had our YouTube channel for a long time. I think we've had it now for about 3 weeks. We're kind of trying to figure it out on what we should do, what we should post, what type of content we have. But we don't have a large budget. Actually, we ain't got no budget because we're struggling right now, trying to make ends meet. But in order for you to make money on YouTube, you have to be monetized. And there's a procedure that you have to go through in order to become monetized. You have to reach so many subscribers. I think they have to get 500 subscribers. What else do you have to do? Oh, you have to get so many views, so many watch hours. And right now, we have 47 subscribers, and so anyways, we're a long way from 500. So I kind of didn't want to have a channel where our videos was all over the board. I kind of wanted to be able to focus on one thing or one or two things. But when you don't have any money and you don't have a budget, you have to try to find something to put on YouTube. And our goal is to get monetized. So we thought that we would share a little bit of that with you. Sorry, I got food in my mouth. We would share a little bit of that with you and let you know where we're at right now. Let me taste some of this shrimp. This shrimp tastes good. Yeah. Try one of those potatoes.
Yeah,
What try your shrimp? Oh, you been eating potatoes?
And the hot links.
So yeah, we're trying to get ourselves established and trying to get these views and stuff up. So hopefully you guys can come along for the ride. But if you like any of these videos, please share the videos. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you can support the channel, there's always links in the description. I'm sorry. There's always links in the description box. This stuff is delicious. Well, look at them big old crab legs. Well, I just wanted to make a quick video and give you guys a heads up. We're gonna finish stuffing our faces, and we'll try to find something for content tomorrow. But we'll talk with you later.